Woo! Let's get some. What is up, you guys? It is Hunt WISCO. We had a very successful turkey weekend. Weekend 3 in Wisconsin. Very easy, very successful. It's Monday today. I'm filming this, so it'll probably get out Wednesday. It was very successful. It was quick. It was I would say it's pretty easy. It was fun. It was a really fun time, and I got the pretty much full experience in 3 hours. Shooting light was at 5:13. I shot that turkey at 7:47. So roughly 3 hours. But before we get into this video, I am going to kind of go over a little gear haul of kind of what I used. Again, I'm not a turkey professional. You know, I've turkey hunted 3 times. My first turkey was 2022. It was Jake. But I am going to kind of go over the things that got, like, kind of, you know, what I used. Again, camo, that's just specific. It's nothing special. The one thing is an Under Armour camo, so it's nothing special. But I will go over kind of the call I called them in with. Again, I didn't really call them in, but again, I'm gonna try not to spoil the video and kind of let you guys get into that. But enough with that. We'll get into it. We'll start with the gun here. We used a Remington 870 Express Super Magnum. With, I don't know how big is the barrel. I really think it says on here. I don't know. You know, it's a turkey gun, Remington 870 turkey gun. It's sweet. Shot straight, killed that turkey. Nothing special. But toss this kind of over there. We'll start off kind of with the camo. So what I did, we'll start off the pants first. I'm missing one piece. These are the Nomad Pursuit pants. I believe they're light. They have plenty of kind of storage. Again, I threw a pair of sweatpants under there because it was a wet morning. It rained Thursday all day. Then it kind of rained in the morning of Friday. So it was kind of wet. And these pants, I don't know if they're water repellent, but like the water would beat up on them. I don't know if they're super water repellent, but again, they're decent pants, and I think I only got them for 70 bucks at Fleet Farm. So that's that. And then we had a Bottomland Carhartt hoodie that we used, and then because that Carhartt is kind of fading away, I threw this Under Armour with Mossy Oak Breakup Infinity. I don't think they make this anymore. Under Armour Scent Control. It's a little fleece, a little quarter zip. Nothing special. But a thing that I really like is this First Light 3D Phantom mask and little top. I wish they came out with pants. I would like pants, like little leafy pants. Those would be helpful. I mean, it looks sweet, especially with like, even I had put like some of that mesh camo, which I thought I had some. Yeah, here we go. This mesh kind of camo on my tripod. It blended in real nice. But again, that's kind of that. Again, nothing special. I did use this Sawyer Picardin? I don't know. It's kind of backwards. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's insect repellent. Ticks, mosquitoes, biting flies, all that. And it's non-greasy. And I think it did really well. Because, I mean, there's like a group of bugs that was flying right in front of me. And it just, like, I didn't have any bugs on me. It was sweet. I didn't find any ticks on me this weekend. It was awesome. It's kind of that. We'll go over the call that I kind of called them in with. And the reason I say that is, I might have it on video. I don't really know. I kind of looked over it a little bit. There's turkeys gobbling all morning. There's turkeys gobbling. There's hens that were probably only 80 yards away from me that I could hear. But I think, because there was, after, you know, you got the roost, they're gobbling in the roost, it sounds like they're everywhere. It kind of got down. There was one that was like super close, and it kind of went quiet. And then I had, maybe probably an hour later, I had one gobble again, and it sounded closer. I was like, ooh, that sounds close. And then it went quiet. I mean, he responded a couple times, went quiet, and then went into it. Again, not trying to spoil it, but I don't really know if I called him. But when he was in the field, I did get him to gobble with this Woodhaven reverse hammer mouth call. I love Woodhaven's calls. They're easy to use. They're sweet. They sound good. I'll give you kind of a little taste. The combo I did, like the calling combos, I did 3 cuts, and then I hit him with that little yelp. So I'll show you guys. Three cuts, or, you know, I add a couple cuts in there, but I do the cut, 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 and to a yelp. So, or I did. I do that little purr with a cut. But again, it's a super nice call. I did use multiple calls. I do like the blue cutter for the morning, because it's just a, again, another Woodhaven call. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but it kind of has the cut out of it. If I can get it, come up. It's just a little cut. It's kind of out of it. I don't know if you guys can't see the slot again, but it's a real. You can cut with it pretty loud, but you can yelp real quiet with it. Like, it's a real, because I'll show you what happens when I blow super hard into it. It's a real, like, soft call. It gets a lot more squeaky and doesn't sound that good when you get real loud with it. But again, another sweet call. Again, I use all. I like to switch up, because toms will get smart, and it's nice to switch up, because I mean, duck hunt and goose hunt, it doesn't really matter. But turkey hunt, you know, it's nice to switch up and sound like a different hen, because not every single hen is going to sound the same. You know, yeah, all comes with age and all that. That's kind of enough with the calls. This is my turkey vest. It's an Alps Outdoor Mossy Oak Bottomland. I have no idea what it is. It's the one, I don't know if they have multiple packs, but it does come with a metal frame. I took that off just because I'm not, what I did is I leaned up against a tree, so I didn't really need to have that frame. Which I think that frame would be nice if you're sitting in like some long grass or like some thick brush, not like so much of trees and stuff. Because don't get me wrong, it's super. This vest is nice and padded. It's super comfortable. But it just kind of that frame kind of gets in the way, so I took it off. But I do like this pack. It's a comfortable seat, magnetic, and then you can clip it on too. Plenty of storage in the back. It even has a little kind of your water, like if you had like little water packs with the hose. That's nice. It's got, you know, I like to keep the front pocket here kind of for my mouth calls and chalk. It even has like a little thing for your phone, which you can use like your phone through that little little like slot for your phone. It has a box call holder. It's got in here your slate sticks, and oh my god, this thing will not clip on there. But it's all nice and quiet. I mean, there's a couple zippers, but like for the box call, it's bungee or I don't know, bungee or whatever. This one, there's another pocket kind of above the mouth call, or what I use for my mouth calls. It's kind of netted. I put all my backup kind of mouth calls in there. And over here, it's kind of got your slate. I have my slate and my face paint in there. Right here is your slate stick holder, which is kind of nice. You can put a lot in there. Hold up. We might be missing something. I'm missing my slate stick. I left it at the cabin. Good thing I'm not turkey hunting. But, I mean, and then it's got a kind of shell pouch and all that good stuff. Water bottle, holders, all little lanyards. Nice thing is it has the clip so you can take off your shoulder straps and kind of be free. Which another thing I learned from one of the Woodhaven guys, I watched their videos. Once you get set up, or even with me, I got up there early, I carried my vest and I set it up against the tree. Put my seat down, set it up. Take your vest off. You don't need it on unless you're really running and gunning, but it allows you to move a lot more freely. And that's kind of just a tip. But yeah, I mean, nothing real special with the gear. We'll go over the decoys now, which I love these decoys. The Avian X HDRs. They have a twist off head, changeable head. This is the breeding head, I believe. And then it also comes with like a traveling head or moving head. Then it also has flocking on the back, which looks super nice. Then I used the Jake, which I think you can buy them separate. We bought them as a pack. I mean, this Jake is just colorful, nice and colorful. Little beard on him. Again, has the flocking in the back, which looks amazing. Wonderful color on this bird, and then it's got the your little stake. I mean, and then this one has the twist off. It's in the breeding head right now, which I don't know if I kind of explained it. I didn't really look over. I'm kind of doing this intro and kind of making the video at the same time. I don't really know if I explained it, but he was going for the Jake. He was going for the Jake, and the way I was positioned, I just couldn't really let him get to it. I couldn't let him get to it because I wouldn't be able to shoot him. But again, that's all in the video, I'm pretty sure, and that's everything, I think. We do have 2 weeks. 2 more weeks in 2 weeks we have another turkey tag, but I don't think I'm going to go up unless I think it's going to be good. I might move the tack cam, and if they're still strutting around up north. Again, I don't want to shoot too many turkeys off of private land, but I might go, if they're strutting on private land, they're probably going to be strutting on public land. So I might go try that. Or in, maybe the week after that? So this was C week. Next week is D. And then E, and then F. So literally the week after that, I have one for down by me, by my house, not by the cabin. Which I'm going to kind of look at some go scout some public land, go scout some private land, see if I can get some permission, see if we can find some birds. But kind of with my buddy, he's kind of a more expert, and hopefully he'll be along on that hunt F week as my cameraman, kind of slash guide. Is what he said to me is kind of F isn't a bad week. Even though it's the last week, the latest week, you're going to be looking kind of for them desperate Toms slash Jakes, who are, the hens left them and they're still looking to get a little freak on. But again, it can be a great week if the weather's right. I think if the weather's right, I think it'll be a great week. Again, even if it's raining, I mean, I might still have a chance. But another thing is, it is a little bit more running gun. Like first morning, you're gonna hear one gobble in the roost, and you want to get to them. You want to get over there as close as possible to them. and set up and try to call them, bring them over with curiosity, and try to shoot them. But enough talk, and enjoy the video. We made it to the cabin. Let me turn this thing on. Hold up. Got tunes blaring. Alright. Made it to the cabin. On the way up, I did see plenty of turkeys, even though it's kind of shitty weather out. I kind of give you guys a look at what the weather's looking like. But cloudy, sprinkling rain here and there. But there's some big old toms out in the field strutting around, so I think tomorrow's gonna be money. Even though it is kind of gonna be raining, Saturday or Sunday is gonna be money. But maybe in a little bit, kind of as it gets a little darker, might go out and maybe try to roost a bird or try to pinpoint one, do a little call and do a little bit of owl calls. So we'll see what happens. Have to go to the gas station, get some snacks from a little Red Bull, a little Nutty Buddy, a little powdered donuts, and a little sleeve. That's money right there. So we will have to wait and see, but I'll see you guys in a little bit. So basically, I'm gonna walk up this ridge road right here. I'm gonna do a little bit of call. I'm not even gonna bring the gun. I'm not even gonna bring my vest. I'm gonna bring my binos, my phone, my call, and I'm gonna walk up and I'm gonna kind of just make a little bit of noise, a little bit of yelps, just a little bit, not too over calling. A yelp there, yelping, just to see if I can get something to call. And if I get something to call and I think it's decently close, I'm gonna walk back down and I'm gonna leave it in front of me. So let's see what we can see. What is up, guys? It is the morning here in Wisconsin. But I didn't get any sleep last night. I'm hyped up, and there's mice moving around, and there was a bug that was like that big. I killed it. Like I woke up at like 2, and it was like buzzing around. I was like, "What is that, dude? That thing does not sound like a fly." Like all the ladybugs that are up here, it's like insane. But I'm tired. I'm ready. I'm excited. I'm all of the above. Ooh. We got the pack all packed up. We didn't put the decoys in the pack. And I wrapped up the my microphone, the camera kinda, and the tripod with a little bit of that leaf like mesh kind of thing. And then we got the GoPro, I think. Oh yeah, it's on the gun. We got it on the gun. Shoo. I'm ready. I'm excited. I just don't want to go out in the rain. It rained last night. That's another reason I couldn't sleep. Is because it rained last night and it was like, and it's a metal roof, so like the rain was hitting it and it was dripping off. It was loud, but it is what it is. So basically, we got everything loaded. I just gotta grab like the GoPro and stuff and kind of get that all. Which I have no. Oh yeah, again I said the GoPro's on the gun. Let me grab this. Grab a portable charger cord, this is a super long cord, which is nice. So even if I have to like charge my GoPro or something, I can just what else? Let me put this. So I'm excited. I'm ready. I think as ready as I'll ever be. I think. Again, I don't know if I'm gonna walk up in the dark or if I'm gonna walk up with a headlamp on. Alright, boys and gals. I think I'm gonna head out, and I'll see you when I can see you, and you can see me. Because it is gonna be dark. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright, guys. I don't know. I have a head really close to me, and then I have a goblet like on the other side of the valley. I'm gonna let y'all listen. That is awesome. That is awesome. I don't even have to do any calling. She's just gonna call for me. Basically, so far, we've had one gobbler. Unfortunately, he's on the other side of the valley. We've had a head that's pretty close to us, which sounds like she's moving towards that town. That's about it. I haven't heard really anything, but again, I'm in some pine trees, so who knows what's on the other side of these. I don't know if I feel like I'd be able to hear them, but at the same time, I don't know. There's a lot of birds making noise and everything like that. We saw 3 deer. It's not too bad. It is kind of a muggy morning, a foggy morning. Hopefully, I'm able to get if not today, there's always tomorrow. We'll see what happens. There's definitely turkeys in the area, that's for sure. I forgot my water bottle. That's not good. It is what it is. Alright, so I think, I don't know. I hear, fix myself here. There's a hen. So I hear, so basically, I went up this, I took this ridge road up this morning. There's a gobbler. Maybe, I think there's 2 gobblers on the other side of this valley. This other side of this valley. And there's like, we have a food plot down there. It's kind of like a little bowl, little valley, whatever you want to call it. And there's a hen down there, like calling. I mean, yelp, yelp, yelp. I mean, loud. So I'm wondering if I should go make a move. Push on down there. I don't know what to do, but or if I should stand my ground and see. I have no idea.
3 gobblers. Because there's 2 that gobbled at like kind of the same time, and then there's 1 that kind of further off. I'm debating on what I should do. If I should make a move, or if I should stay here. Because all the turkeys are like over. I haven't heard anything up this way. But again, I don't really want to push them, so I think I'm gonna stay here. Yeah, that'd be a good idea not to push them. You gotta just wait it out, you know. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's a hen yelping down there. I think and I watched them all get off the roost. They all came back here. There's at least 2 in the roost right here. It's time to get loud. I'm putting away the quiet call. It's time to get loud, bro. Get the Woodhaven reverse hammer out. There's a gobbler right down there. I don't know if you guys could hear that over my calling, but I called and it was BOW! Whew, that gives you chills down your body. Holy cow. I thought about going to the bottom of the pond too. Let's give him another call. I'm gonna see if he'll call. But I don't know if you guys hear the bells of a gobbler that is under 200 yards away. So I think, I don't know. Yeah, I don't want to push it. He's that close. I'm not going to do anything. Stay right here. I did have a rabbit that was probably, literally right there. Really could have reached out and touched that. Sworn there's one that was super close. That sounded even closer than that. That motherfucker is close. Like the fact that I could hear the echo of his call. He is close. Just woke up, which he lives. A lot of them do. close enough that I could hear them close the doors and stuff. And the turkeys all kind of got quiet, but I'm sure they'll start up. Yeah, I had 3 hens. Come check out the deeks. But yeah, come on. Yeah, but sounds like there's some gobblers on the other side. There's maybe 2 down there. Maybe. I can't tell. Everything went quiet. I'm gonna sit back down. We returned to the decoys. We've had gobblers gobbling everywhere. I mean, straight out, there's one that sounds pretty close. Or in an area that's more doable. Like the times that have been gobbling on the other side of me across the valley. So I don't know how much they want to do that, but there is one that sounds like there's one straight out in front of me, a hayfield, which, it's just flat. It's, you don't gotta go over the valley or anything, but we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so it's kind of been a bit slow. We may or may not have a Tom on his way right now. I kind of called a little bit. He's close. He's closer to the ones that are on the other side of the valley. But he's literally coming straight at me. If he's coming straight at me. So, it's been slow. I mean, I had those 3 hens coming in front of me, but that was about it. But I'm hoping. Because I think this Tom was in a cornfield right up next to the highway, which my dad said he's seen him in there. I might see a turkey right now. I think I see him. I can see something moving. Ooh, that's a big fucker. Go. On the other side of the valley to get put out this one. This one gobbler, I don't know. He gobbles. I mean, like, I can get him to kind of call back every once in a while, but I kind of just want to sit in the same spot and see what happens. But tomorrow, I think I'll start making moves on birds.
I'm going to pause the video here for you guys so you guys can kind of understand. I know you guys can't really see a lot of what's going on. I wasn't really focusing. I was focusing more on the bird than the camera. Basically, a hen walks out. I thought it was a jake. Couldn't really tell. As it kind of gets out of my sight, I realize it's not a jake or Tom. It's a hen running. But basically, she runs across the field, and I'm paying attention to her, and a Tom struts into my field, which I was completely unaware. And then I saw him. I was like, "Oh my God, there's a Tom in my field," and basically that's what happened. I'm gonna let the rest play out.
It's doing like zigzags. There's a Tom strutting. There's a fucking Tom strutting. There's a fucking Tom. Oh yeah, dude, he's big. He's big. He's fucking fast. He literally popped out the same place that fucking. Oh yeah, dude, you're right. Strut. Let's fucking go! Let's go! Let's go! That's what I'm talking about! That's what I'm talking about! Woo! Woo! Let's fucking go! Let's go! Woo! Woo!
That's my first time right there. So he comes out there, or hen comes out there, walks across, books it over this field here. He comes, same path, comes down, and there's like a hole, which I sat right there. You can kind of see my blind, or my little vest, and I'm pretty sure I shot him like right at the bottom of the tree as he was coming to this hen. He wanted no part with the Jake, but he was like, screw it, I'm going for this hen here. And I smacked him. Or maybe he was going for the Jake? I guess he's dead here. But I don't know. I think he was going to fight the Jake. But that's like the only kind of spot I had. So I don't know how much I had on camera. But again, I was in a weird position because he caught me with basically my pants down. Like, I didn't really know what to do, so I was like, screw it. If he comes here, hold on, let me fix this. If he comes, I'm gonna shoot him. I'm gonna shoot him in the first spot. I don't know. Again, I think I got it on the GoPro. But dude, I'm so psyched. That is awesome. I freaked out. I know when I shot him, I freaked out. But I've never had that happen to me. I shot a Jake that was inspecting a decoy. I've never shot a tom that's strutting across a field. Oh, that's so awesome. It feels so good. That feels so better than whitetail hunting. That is awesome. To do it by myself. This is my first turkey hunt by myself. No one's up here at the cabin, just me. And I did it. I shot the tom I was looking for, and I did it. So that is just so awesome, and I'm so happy that I killed him. I mean, I put that bead, right before I shot him, I don't know if you can hear me, but my stomach turned. I was like, oh, watch, I'm gonna throw up before I shoot this turkey. But like, my stomach just turned, and I was like, oh. So I went, and I took a deep breath, and I lined them beads up, and I smacked that turkey. Just nowhere, just dropped him. But my dad's not even up here. My dad's buddy, my buddy, said that I should just not even call my dad. I should just leave it in just on the tailgate of my or on the like picnic table, and just let him see it, or be like, or I should call him right now and be like, hey, I missed. I don't know what to do. I missed a massive one. And then just completely fucked with them, but I don't know. I'm debating on if I should call him or not. All these wet turkeys, man. He's a wet boy. He's wet. But I mean, look at that. I mean, we'll get a little. Let me take this stupid tripod thing off. Decent spurs on him. Ooh, and the camera's about to die. Awesome. Decent beard. I mean, not a bad turkey whatsoever. But yeah, it rained this morning, so that is just awesome. That's just a great feeling. I mean, I'm pretty confident it was the bird that was over here. Like I heard a gobble, and I was like, man, it sounds like he's getting closer. Which, because he went quiet, because he was chasing that hen. And I think he went from there and went this way. Came around the easier way. So, whoo, we did it. So I'm gonna call my dad. I'm not gonna fuck with him. But, wow, that felt good. I'm gonna finish this cup of coffee, which I forgot about. I didn't even need the gassy sacks. Good thing I didn't bring anything. Didn't bring my water. But, I mean, I kind of went over the film a little bit. You can see the turkey. You can see the shot. Again, I would have tried to, because he was going right for that Jake. He wanna beat up on that Jake. Let me see this down real quick. I mean, he was going straight for the Jake to beat up that Jake, strut around the Jake, whatever. But I was find a better spot for this one. I went like this. I kind of crossed my legs. I had my gun laying down, and I see, because I can see under the pine tree, I see that hen. I was like, oh, and I got up, kind of had my gun, and I was in a weird spot, and then he came out, and then he strutted and gobbled across the field, and I kind of got this leg up, and because I was trying to limit movement, because I mean their eyesight is amazing. So I get my leg up, and I get to a spot where I can shoot, and there's this hole, right, a hole, literally perfect. I mean, I just see his upper body, and I aimed right at his head. I mean, not really at it. Again, base of the head. You got it kind of right there. And pulled the trigger, and I got him down. But I would have tried to. I wanted to try to get him into the camera, but what can you do? I mean, everything's gonna be perfect. It'll probably be most likely the opposite every time. I had the full experience in 3 hours, roughly. I killed that bird right before 8 o'clock. So, I mean, it was a great day. I'm probably gonna take a nap. And even when I packed up, there was one that was gobbling on the other side of me that I probably couldn't have went and chased. But I was super excited. I mean, I was super excited when I shot that turkey. I jumped up. I was like, racked another one. I was like, this motherfucker ain't getting away from me. So it was a good day. It was a really good day, and the day ain't even finished. So, whew, I'm gonna need a nap. But if you guys like this video, subscribe, go follow Instagram, JackNasty6969. And, y'all have a good one. Peace.